Welcome back mga kapuso. Nagtanaw gyapon kamo sa GMA Regional TV Live. And this morning, atong makauban ang Cebuano nga nakadaog isip Man of the World Philippines 2023. Ug sayranta ang iyang adbokasiya.
Bida ka, kining batan-ong gawas sa kaanyag, aduna sa adbokasiya nga buot ipaambit sa kadaghanan. Siya si James Reggie Vidal, ang nakoronahan nga Man of the World Philippines 2022. Siya ang morepresentar sa atong nasud alang sa international competition. Mas ilailahon ta siya this morning, ug sayran ta ang iyang pagpangandam alang sa maong kompetisyon.
Let's all welcome sa programa mga kapuso, James Reggie Vidal, Man of the World 2023 Philippines. Mayong buntag kanimo, James. Kindly greet all our viewers karong buntaga.
Maayong buntag ka nato mga kapuso, and also maupayhan aga sa tanan mga ormokanon diha, and also Miss Cecil, thank you for having me today.
It's our pleasure to have you finally on the program,
Thank
James. Nagkaduol na gayod ang
Yes,
kompetisyon. Pipila ka adlaw na lang. Kumusta ang imong preparations, James?
So, mao na as of today, naglaban ra gyapon ko sa akong mga preparations for my physique dito sa gym, and also sa akong Q&A portion together with Miss Mitch Padayag, and also sa akong catwalks and routines para sa international stage.
Yes.
Kuyog na ko si Sir Albert Katamko ug si Kuya June.
Wow, ubay-ubay gayud kana nga mga preparations. Pero para kanimo, unsa ang pinaka-challenging part niining pag-prepare sa usa ka kompetisyon?
So, ang pinaka-challenging part na akong na-encounter sa akong experience aning pageantry world is ang diet jud kay daghan kag bawal na makaon, which is kailangan jud ka mag-clean para mo stay sad ka og healthy and also presentable at all times sad.
And with all the sacrifices and the dedication that you and hard work that you put into this, James, para kanimo, to whom do you dedicate all of these sacrifices?
So, I dedicated first jud sa ato ang the man up above, si Lord Jesus Christ, and also to the person I love, which is my family, and also my friends and relatives, and also sa akong team BNB Model Cebu, and sa mga tao na nag-support nako karon sa akong journey.
You have a great team of people supporting you, James. No? Pero likod niining titulo nimo isip Man of the World Philippines. Unsa si James likod sa camera, likod sa mga photos, like kumusta unsa ka as a son, as a friend?
Likod sa camera kung kinsa si James Reggie Vidal, so usa ko ka person na lingaw, and also di ko kaingog butan akong papa na siguro makaingon na knife unsa ko pagkabata, pero all I can say is lingaw ko as a person, and also joker at the same time, and also want to play sports to have a great time with my siblings.
Wow. And of course, gusto sa damo mahibaw-an. Karon nga, ni-appeal ka sa kompetisyon, aduna kay titulo nga gihuptan isip Man of the World Philippines. Unsa nga adbokasiya ang gusto nimong i-amplify, ipalanog sa tibuok kalibutan, given nga makadaog ka sa Man of the World 2023?
So, yes, Miss Cecil, no? So, akong advocacy na ganahan ni advocate sa mga people is sports and wellness, because before ko naging pageant king kay katong sa akong elementary years, I was obese, and I was always the fat kid behind my classmates as well. So, mo na nakasuffer kog bullying diha niya, body shaming. Pero ako ra turned around as a motivation to become a better version of myself. Munang workout helps good. And karon I wanna use this platform, which is the Man of the World, na maka-inspire, and also makahatag og hope sa nila na kanang mga nakaagi og bullying, and also nagsuffer sa kanang mga body shaming, na you're not alone, guys, and just believe in yourself, and I believe also that you have your own beauty, Rasad. So let's be proud of it, and let's value it also.
And karon pa lang, we're proud of you already,
Thank you,
James. Busa, atong i-test ang imong Q&A skills this morning. Ado na kami. Usa lang gayud ka pangutana. Why do you deserve the title as Man of the World 2023?
Wow, so thank you, Miss Cecil. I believe together with my co-competitors, which is each country that they represented, we all deserve to win a title. But again, there's only one title. And this person should have qualified the good traits and also embody them, like respect respectful and kind, and by that way, that person is deserving to win. And I believe I'm qualified for that good traits, and I want to use this platform to be their voice, to help young generation, and to serve my fellow Filipino. Thank
And
you.
you deserve this title. Busa, James, daghang salamat for
Thank you,
joining
Mrs.
us
Cecil.
this morning, and good luck to you.
Thank
Kung mga
you.
kapuso, mubalik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.